Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everybody are keeping good at home and welcome to today's class. So in the previous class we have started unit 1 as a reading. I will do it and author is Sudhamurthy. Let us continue it. He came from a poor but educated family. His father was a high school teacher and an avid reader of English literature. He, like all the boys in his class, was trying to get admission into some engineering college. The brighter ones wanted to study in the Indian Institute of Technology or the IITs. There was an entrance test for IIT. This boy, along with his friends, applied to appear for the test. They did not have any special books or coaching. All these IIT aspirants would sit below the shade of a stone mandir close to Chamundi Hills in the sleepy town of Mysore. He was the guide for the others. While the others struggled to solve the problems in the question paper, he would smile shyly and solve them in no time. He sat alone below a tree and dreamt of studying at IIT. It was the ultimate aim for any bright boy at that age, as it still is today. He was then only 16 years old. The D-Day came. He came to Bangalore, stayed with some relatives, and appeared for the entrance test. He did very well, but would only say okay when asked. It was the opposite when it came to food. When he said okay, it implied bad. When he said good, it implied okay. Then he said excellent, it implied good. His principle was never hurt to anyone. So, dear students, so the person whom we discussed in the previous class, that who was very short and very sharp and good at math and science. So the person he had come from a poor but educated family. Though he had come from a middle class family but educated family. And what was his father? His father was a high school teacher and an avid reader of English literature. So what is the meaning of avid? Nothing but showing or having a keen interest or enthusiasm for something. So he was very enthusiastic for English literature. And here it is that like all other boys in his class, he was also trying to get admission into some engineering college. So it is so passionate to every bright student. Right? What is that IIT? Indian Institute of Technology. So that there was an entrance test for it. So that he applied for the entrance test. And here it is. They did not have any special books or coaching. So in those days there were many like a institute, coaching institute like that as which are available right now. So that what they used to do, all the aspirants of IIT, so those who are desired very strongly to be an IITian, they used to sit us together. So the where did they sit, where did they gather means below the shade of the stone under close to Chamundi Hills and in the sleepy town of Mysore. Here this sleepy town means very calm city, very calm city. So that here it is, he was a guide for all. So that here it is, where did they use it to prepare? So that stone manda, Chamundi Hills, Mysore. And he was the guide for others. So at that time, he was, what was his age? He was just 16 years. And also always he was dreamed to be an IITian in those days. So again here it is, the D-Day came. Here, what is the meaning of D-Day? An important day which is going to happen. Okay, so that here it is that what was the D-Day here? Nothing but entrance day. So that entrance test day has come. So that he went to Bangalore and appeared for entrance test. So after writing, though he has done excellent in test, but he never used to boast himself. He used to say very simply that okay good. If he says okay, that means it meant to say that it is something okay, not exactly right. So that if he says that if it is excellent, it implies to good. So it's nothing but though he was very clever, but he never boast himself. He never felt himself very proud that he was a very clever among all other boys. So that shows that he was very simple and always he has shown his simplicity. So dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you have understood well, and we'll carry on the same in the following class. Thank you.